Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 to Karamchand Gandhi and Putli Bai in Porbandar, Gujarat. As a child, he was greatly influenced by honesty and strict discipline of his father and by simplicity and religious thoughts of his mother. Mohan was sent to England to study law. After study, he became a lawyer in Bharat. For a case, he visited South Africa. Those days, there was discrimination between white and non-white people. He was ill-treated by a British who threw him out of his first-class compartment of a train. It was a very humiliating experience. He stayed there for 21 years, and it was in South Africa that Gandhiji employed non-violent resistance in a campaign for civil rights. After returning to Bharat, he assumed the leadership of the Indian National Congress in 1921 and led the nationwide campaigns for easing poverty, expanding women's rights, building religious and ethnic amity, ending untouchability, and above all, for achieving Swaraj or self-rule. Gandhiji created a new method to fight against British. It's called Satyagraha, protesting injustice in a non-violent way. Very soon, many people started following him. People called him Bapu, which means the father, or Mahatma, which means the saint. Bapu and his followers non-violently galvanized the whole Bharat against British rule. British arrested Bapu and his followers and sent them to jail on many occasions. But it did not deter the Satyagrahi's will to fight against injustice. His non-violent resistance has awakened the society to fight collectively, which also led to the successful campaign for India's independence from British rule. Gandhiji adopted the Bharatiya loincloth, or short dhoti, and in the winter a shawl, both woven with yarn handspun on a traditional Bharatiya spinning wheel, or charka, as a mark of identification with Bharat's rural poor. Thereafter he lived modestly in a self-sufficient residential community, ate simple vegetarian food, and undertook long fasts as a means of self-purification and political protest. For his contributions, he is recognized as the father of the nation.